Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Install Monkey and sign in, then grant camera and mic access so the app can capture video immediately. Once done, make sure your device camera is selected in System Settings. Front versus rear matters for framing. Use a stable Wi-Fi or good cellular signal to avoid choppy video. This reduces reconnection loops. Now, position the camera at eye level and open Monkey. The app should request permission and prepare the feed for the next steps. Next, dive into Monkey's camera settings and explicitly choose your webcam if multiple inputs exist. This prevents the app from defaulting to an internal camera. Once selected, test the preview so you can check framing, exposure, and orientation. Rotate or flip if faces appear backwards. Close video conferencing or streaming apps so the webcam isn't locked by another process. If your webcam has a driver utility, update or open it to set resolution and focus. This improves image. Finally, initiate a test call or use Monkey's live preview to verify audio and video are working together. Speak and move to confirm synchronization. If the camera shows a black screen, restart the app first, then the device. This often releases stuck hardware. Make sure OS privacy settings still allow Monkey access and update webcam drivers if problems persist. If you still see issues, switch to a different USB port or try another camera. One key troubleshooting tip is to reboot and reauthorize permissions before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.